Good morning. Today we are going to work on lesson 3. We are going to count by 5s and 1s on the number line as a strategy to tell time to the nearest minute on the clock. Let's take a look at number 1. It says plot a point on the number line for the time shown on the clocks below. Then draw a line to match the clocks to the points. So if we see on our number line, we see that it is already labeled for us. Let's take a look at the first analog clock. I see the hour hand is in a little bit after 7, but it's not quite at 8. So that means it's sometime in the 7 o'clock hour. Next, I'm going to take a look at the minute hand. I see that it is at in between the 3 and 4. The 3 I know is 15 minutes, and the 4 I know is 20. So I'm going to count by 1 starting at 15 until I get to the tick mark. So there's 16 and then 17. So it is 7:17. Next, I'm going to go to my number line. Here's 10. This would be 15, and I need to go 2 more to get to 17. And then I'm going to draw my line. Take a look at the digital clock. It says 7:03. Plot the point on the number line. Then draw a line to match the point to the clock. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So it is 7:03. I'm going to start at the 0, and there's count up to 3. 1, 2, 3. So that is showing 7:03. Next, I'm going to take a look at the next clock. Can you figure out what time it is? Pause the video while you work, and then replay when you are ready. So I see that the hour hand is in between the 7, but it's not quite at the 8 o'clock yet, so it's still 7. And then I see that the minute hand is pointing at the 11, which I know is really 55 minutes. So that means our time is 7:55. Where would I plot that on my number line? Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. Here I see is 50. If I keep counting by 1s, I will see that I get to 55 in the middle. So 7:55. Take a look at the next clock. What time is it showing? Figure out the time and then plot the point on the number line and draw a line from the point to the clock. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So again, I take a look at the hour hand. I see that it is in between the 7 and the 8, so it's not quite 8 o'clock yet. So that means it's still 7 something. Next, I'm going to take a look at the minute hand. It is before a little bit after the 8, which I know is 40. And then it looks like, if I look carefully, there is 1 tick mark after. So that means it is 7:41. So now I'm going to find, here's 40. 41 would be 1 after. And then I'm going to draw my line to the matching point. Let's take a look at number 2. It says Jessie woke up this morning at 6:48 a.m. Draw hands on the clock below to show what time Jessie woke up. So I'm going to draw my hour hand first. Since it is 6:48, I know that I'm going to be a little bit after the 6 o'clock, close to 7, but not quite. Next, I'm going to take a look at my minutes. At the 9, I know is 45. So now I'm going to count up to 48. So here's 46, 47, 48. Let's take a look at number 3. It says Mrs. Barnes start teaching math at 8:23 a.m. Draw hands on the clock below to show what time Mrs. Barnes starts teaching math. Why don't you try part of this one on your own? First, let's figure out where the hour hand is going to go. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So the hour hand is a little bit past 8 o'clock. Next, I'm going to figure out where the minute hand should be. So I have at 23 minutes. Do you know where the minute hand would go? Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So I know at the 4 that that's going to be 20 minutes. Now I'm going to count 3 tick marks, 1, 2, 3, and then draw my minute hand. Your assignment for today is to finish the number 4 and number 5 on the problem set. Check your work with the answer keys at the front of the room. When you are finished, put it in your take-home folder on the Leave at Home side. Your next assignment is to complete the exit ticket. Make sure your name is on it and put it in the turn-in tray when you are finished. You did a great job today. I'll see you again next time.